Hey Bill.
Oh, hello there, weird random blue man. What can I do for you?
I'm starving, so can you at least get me those Zanoy Neckos that taste like they were coated in barbecue sauce?
I'm afraid we ran out of Zanui nachos because you ate the last two in the bag last night.
Oh, no. This can't be happening. This can't be.
Attention residents of Homeless Man Island, weird random blue guy is about to lose his temper and throw a tantrum. I repeat, weird random blue guy is about to lose his temper and throw a tantrum. You are strongly advised to go down to your basements as this tantrum may result in an earthquake. But if you don't have a basement or anything that can protect you from weird random blue guy's tantrum, then you're basically dead. Ha ha soy 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 ROFL 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 ROFL. Sucks to be you.
Random blue guy, stop it. Your tantrum has just gone and caused an earthquake around the entire island. 368 people were injured. Many of them died. Most of them survived. Now we have to pay the hospital bills because of you. You stupid primary color scum.
I don't care. I want my Zanoy Neckos. I want them now.
You know what? I can't deal with this anymore. I cannot be annoyed by your screaming any longer. If you want to lie down on the floor and scream like a bitch, then be my guest. I am so done here.